Another tip about how to use Redbooth in fun, creative ways. Today, we're going to talk about emojis and emoticons. Well, I think it's the same thing. And I use them all the time. I'm sure you've noticed. I like using them because it's creative. It activates the right side of my brain. It allows me to express myself without words. And I hope that it comes across as adding a lighter, more playful and friendly tone to some of the messages. Of course, when we're collaborating, we have to send quite direct information that we're needing or looking for. But if we add a little bit of a smiley face or a checkbox or a party favor with the message, hopefully it can be received with more care and just more fun. Okay, so let's see. Sharing the screen with you now. And I'm going to go ahead and go into the video marketing project. And I'm going to create a task for our video editor and say, add more images to the video. Okay, go ahead and open that up. I'd like to see more use of smiley faces. Okay, now I can just go like this and have a pretty boring smiley face, or try it this way. So you use the colon, and you probably have noticed that a few options come up. Now, if you wanted a thumbs up, great. Or if I use colon again, another window comes up. And if I go to scroll, hey, wait a minute, there's only 5 options. That's because all of these are used with codes. So you would use colon and then type smile, perhaps. Here's a couple options. Smile or smile cat or smiley, smiley cat. Or you could try, I want to send a picture of a panda. Okay, there we go. Or I'm angry. There you have another one. Or plane. Nope, didn't come up. Maybe it's airplane. There it is. Okay, so as you can see, there's lots of options, and then you have all of these different emoticons available to be used, but sometimes it's a matter of trial and error. I can also show you a link to Emoji cheat sheet, where these are standardized keywords. It's the same whether you're using Redbooth or Skype. They all have kind of a universal type of code. So for this one, okay, it's collision. So let me go back to Redbooth. I do collision. There it is. Okay, or if I want to do a lot of collisions, I would just write it once and then copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. And we can see the chaos that could happen, but a much more colorful experience. So I will go ahead and include this. Actually, why don't we just do it right now? Emoji cheat sheet. There we go. I copied that URL. Let's put it in here. And let's go ahead, and I'm going to go to my administration of the team, and I will use it in a note. Okay, so let's see what notes we have. Where would it make most sense? Etiquette for happy teams on Redbooth. That seems like a good spot. I'm gonna hit edit and say, what is chat projects? There's lots of things. Aim for, okay. I'm gonna say have fun. Use emojis. There's the link. I'm gonna make that a header so you can find it easily. And I'll make sure that that is linked. So I will click here. This is the insert link. Okay, and look, the text says this. I'm going to change it to emoji codes cheat sheet. Click here. Okay, open link in a new tab so that it won't go in the same window, that it'll open up a new window so you don't sign out of Redbooth in the process. And let's go ahead and save that. And there we have it. And then just to reinforce, let's say you wanted to find that. You're thinking, oh, Vanessa told us how to use emoji. How did we do that? Just go here, emoji. Etiquette for happy teams on Redbooth. Where's emoji? Now I use the find feature a lot, which on Mac is Command F. I'm not sure, but you have on if you're not using Mac, if you're using a PC, but here you can see this window came up to find. So I'm just going to put emoji because it shows me where on the screen is emoji located. There it is. So I don't have to scan through the whole thing. Okay, so there you go again, the search for information. And I hope that we can have a more colorful experience in Redbooth with more smiley faces.